Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the FPRO, Football Training at Home, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. FPRO is a football training app designed to help players practice professional-level drills at home. The app provides guided video exercises, ball control routines, agility drills, and technique-focused sessions that can be done in small spaces. It's available on both iOS and Android and is used by players of all ages looking to improve touch, speed, and coordination without needing a full field. The app's main feature is its structured training programs. You choose your level, follow step-by-step video guidance, and track performance over time. It also includes challenges, skill rating tests, and personalized improvement plans to help users stay consistent and motivated during training. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its professional drills, clear instruction videos, and the ability to practice anywhere. The app is especially helpful for players who want to sharpen their footwork, ball control, and reaction speed without needing a coach. Progress tracking and daily training reminders also help players stay disciplined. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced content requires a subscription, and users occasionally report repetitive drills in certain levels. Additionally, the app relies heavily on self-motivation since there's no live coaching or real-time feedback, which may reduce effectiveness for some players. In summary, the FPRO app may be worth using if you want structured football drills, home-based training plans, and skills development without needing a field or coach. However, if you prefer interactive sessions, advanced tactical training, or free full-access content, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.